Now, if you are the type of bride who loves to wear something unique and different to anyone else, you may appreciate this beautiful asymmetrical headband. So it is slightly richer on one end, as you can see, and a little bit more sparse on the other side, which has been deliberately created to give that asymmetrical look to the headband. And these flowers are also bendable, so you can gently adjust the leaves whichever way you want them. It also has these gorgeous gold crystal leaves that are scattered with beautiful Swarovski crystals to give it that exceptional sparkle. It is absolutely gorgeous headpiece, something unique and different and refreshing, perhaps for a garden wedding or a beach wedding or any other outdoor type wedding that would suit this sort of style. I could totally see this in like a band wedding as well, beach wedding, or even a private reception, just you and your loved ones enjoying each other's company and having the most amazing time, celebrating love and connection and togetherness. That's what it is all about. Feeling good, feeling confident and loved. And I really believe that when we can be more present in our own hearts, we give each other the greatest gift that we could ever receive from one another, and that is true presence, true honoring of each other. So I hope this serves you. I hope you like this headpiece. Let me know in the comments below if this is something you'd wear. I like it. I think it's interesting. It's quirky, it's different. And when you look back on your wedding photos in 10, 20 years time, you sadly won't look like anyone else. It's unique.